Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Red Hat Insights for VPS monitoring and alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, head over to the Red Hat Insights website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to navigate to the registration page. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Provide your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have filled out the form, click on the Register button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Red Hat. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Red Hat Insights login page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the VPS monitoring section in the dashboard. Here, you will find options to add your virtual private server. Click on the Add VPS button. You will need to enter the IP address of your VPS. Make sure to include any necessary authentication credentials needed for access. Once all the information is entered, click Save or Add. Now your VPS is linked to Red Hat Insights for monitoring. To set up alerts, go to the Alerts configuration section. Choose the conditions under which you want to receive alerts. You can customize the severity level for different types of alerts. You can now monitor your VPS and receive critical updates. Regularly check the dashboard for any alerts or issues. Keeping your system monitored ensures better performance and security. That concludes the registration and setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.